Digital transformation is rapidly reshaping the business, with users and applications becoming ubiquitous, making secure remote access more crucial than ever. However, the legacy security models cannot provide secure access for users working from anywhere. Therefore, we need a new security solution based on the Zero Trust principle. AIONCLOUD Secure Remote Access is a zero-trust network access solution that ensures secure connections by applying the principle of least privilege to authorized users and devices. Secure Remote Access provides a one-to-one direct connection approach between users and applications, incorporating micro-segmentation that segments workloads. After verifying user identity, request context, and device posture, Secure Remote Access ensures the essential minimal access adjusting permissions based on real-time changes in users and devices. This enhances network and app security against unauthorized use. Additionally, it protects users and networks from threats through restricted authorization, providing a secure remote working environment. Do you need a secure remote access environment from anywhere? Start your Zero Trust security journey with AIONCLOUD Secure Remote Access today.